Welcome, Stoneseekers. This is Thalwind, the sea-sky orbital. The land of the wind is free-forming with ever-changing gravitational laws that allow large land masses to float easily throughout the sky. Down below, the sea and islands are vibrant with life. Creatures such as the dark iron fish and moonfire mice are coveted as resources to fuel Thalwind's age of industrialization. Farther down the surface, you'll find hazardous trenches hiding Thalwind's most feared beings, including the great Blauzefell and terrifying deep-sea phantasm. This industrial world is known for vast exploration and profiteering. Privacy and adventure is the lifeblood of Thalwind. Massive floating airships explore the levitating islands as the ships across the sea launch expeditions to find rich bounties hidden within the depths of the ocean. For the races living under the ocean, such things are commonplace. The merfolk build expansive cities within the underwater canyons so as to take cover from lurking deep-sea monsters. While across the sky, Avakin lay claim to the towering islands engulfed in vast clouds. Thalwindians take pride in the creation of their powerful flying machines that enable them to defend relentless battles across sky and sea. Want to know more about the secret skills behind these industrial explorers? Check out these card combos. Card combo number 1, Vapor Blast Artillery and Verdant Cliffwing. By equipping this beautiful dragon with a cannon of torrenting water, you can easily proc the Cliffwing's ability. Move freely across the realms flying as you claim stones and get your free card draw. Card combo number 2, Serenia Coralheart and Rainy Day Hopmaster. After playing Rainy Day Hopmaster, you have a chance to seek out Serenia as one of the cards that you reveal. By playing the mermaid, you can activate her ability, portaling Rainy Day once again, getting even more cards to seek out. Alright, Stoneseekers, that wraps up our trip across the highs and the depths of Thalwind. May your adventures bring you treasures.